Hey, it's your Geli Mamma here, and today I'm working with the fabulous Kiki London to show you 3 ways to do a French manicure look. So I'm just going to be showing you some of the products that you're going to want to use if you're obviously doing this on your own nails. If you don't know how to apply a gel polish and don't know how to do the prep work, I can leave a video to show you the steps to help you out so you can recreate this mani on your own nails. So these are the 2 products that I'm going to be using to create the French manicure look. So you've got Clearly Pink and Studio White. You can buy these as a twin set, or if you've got one of the polishes already, you can buy them individually as well. So this polish, I would kind of describe it as like a jelly polish. It's just got a slight pink tinge to it. So I'm going to be applying it over the sort of natural nail tip here. So hopefully you can just see that hint of pink. And obviously the first French manicure look that I'm doing is the classic look that we're all used to. And because you can't really see it that clearly, I'm going to put it over my natural nail just so you can see what it would look like on your own natural nail. So it's kind of very much like a base coat, but like I say, it's just got that pink tint to it. So hopefully that's coming across on the camera. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a second coat of this. I just want the pink to stand out a little bit more. And then I'm going to cure that underneath my lamp. So there you go, that's how that looks. So then obviously, I suppose everyone's got their own way of getting the sort of French tip look. I'm just sort of doing it freehand. I'm not using any extra tape or anything like that. So I'm just getting like a rough line worked out. Obviously I've got to make up my own French tip line here because I'm doing it on a fake nail. So I just want to get it on there as even as possible. And then obviously you can come in with a detail brush like I am showing you here and just neaten it up and curve that edge out just to make it look that much nicer. Just neatens it up a little bit, and then obviously you want to cure that underneath your lamp. So I'm going to go in and apply a second coat of the white now, just to make sure that that French tip edge is totally opaque. And again, coming in with the detail brush just to neaten it all up. So I don't think that you can ever go wrong with doing like the classic French manicure look. It's just such a timeless nail design. Even though it was like popular back in the 70s, it still looks gorgeous up until this day. And you know, it just, like I say, it's just like a timeless look. So that is that all completed there. So I'm just going to go ahead now and use my Kiki London top coat and apply that to the nail, and then this is the first look completely finished. So once it's been dry, completely dry underneath the lamp, you want to go ahead and get your nail cleanser or your isopropyl alcohol. If you're unaware of this, Kiki London have brought out their own brand of this now, and also their gel polish remover as well. If you've not seen that, I can put a link to a video to show you how well the gel polish remover works. But that is the end look. So I'm just going to put this onto the nail now. So the sort of crease underneath it you can see is just like a blue tack clear dot. So there's nothing wrong with the polish or anything like that. I didn't want the blue tack showing up underneath, so that's why I chose to use that instead. So moving on to the next look now, this is going to be like a V-shaped monochrome French manicure, which again is really simple to do. So I've already gone ahead and applied the 2 coats of the Clearly Pink polish, and then I'm just sort of sweeping the brush down diagonally the one side of the nail, and then I'm going to go in on the other side. Don't worry too much if it's not that even right now. You just want to have it like roughly on the nail, and then you can come in and neaten it up afterwards. I'm just using the same brush from the bottle, but if you prefer you can obviously use like a detail brush instead. But you just want to get that rough V shape, and I do think this is a real cool look. And obviously I'm doing monochrome, but you can do any colour combo. So now I'm going to be coming in, I'm going to be using Kiki London's Blackpool black polish. So for this part I am going to be coming in and using a detail brush, and you can just swipe it down the nail like so, just in one go, and then sort of like almost cross that over, and again go up in a straight line as possible. If you do make any mistakes, you can come in with a cleanup brush and some isopropyl alcohol and just neaten everything up. So I'm just going to drag the polish down now, because obviously you don't want it really bulky on the end, because then you won't have it, you know, like a nice smooth finish at the end. So that's the second design completed, and I'm sure you'll agree even that it was really simple to create, but the end result's quite striking. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a top coat, and I thought that with this one I would finish it off with a matte top coat as well, just because I love the look of a black polish when it's been mattified. And there you go, that's how it looks. So would you recreate this look? Let me know in the comments box below, and if you do recreate it, then I'd love to see that, so you can tag me in on Instagram at Gelulicious. So the third French manicure look that I'm going for is actually a colour changing sort of tip. So I'm using their Passion Duet colour changing polish, and I'm just, obviously I've gone ahead and put the white on there already, just because I think it'll make this polish stand out that little bit more. So I'm just going over that outline. So this is like, it's coming off across, I think, quite blue on camera, but it's actually purple. So I'm going to pop that underneath the lamp and cure it, and then I am going to go in and apply a second coat just to make sure that it's fully opaque when it's when it changes to both colours. But I do think this is like a really a cool way to wear a French manicure look, because obviously you're getting two different looks in one mani. And then I'm just getting a dotting tool and coming in, and obviously this is optional, you don't have to do this, but I'm just sort of doing 3 simple dots going from the cuticle area down the nail. So I've got the warm water here now and the cold water just to show you the different looks. So this is how it will look when it is obviously warm. So you've got that gorgeous pink glow, and then you've got the purpley blue colour when it is cold. So let me know your favourites, French manicure 1, 2 or 3 in the comments box below. Thank you so much for watching. If you've not done so already, please subscribe to this channel and press that notifications bell. And make sure you come back next week to see some more easy gel nail art.